Hi, as perhaps you know, in July I did a little social media competition, I suppose I can call it. It was really a draw. I asked students to post a picture with a description of the gadget or gadgets or whatever creation they are working on at the moment or in the recent past. And one of those people has or will be winning a gift, a $100 gift card from Amazon. And in this little video, I'd like to just highlight, actually go through some of those projects just to give you an idea of what people are doing out there and perhaps get some inspiration. And at the end of the video, I'll also do the draw. So I'll start with Facebook, and let's have a look at the posts that people have put on Facebook. So here's the Tech Explorations page on Facebook, and you can see it, visitors' posts. Let's go through them. We've got Jamil Taylor here, who's made a Robo Teddy servo arm. So you can see that there's a servo mechanism here. I suppose this bit here is the arm of Freddy, and it's moved by the servo arm. Really nice. We've got Dave Stevens, who've done some amazing work with joking pumpkins. Yeah, there's a video. Strongly recommend you have a look at this as well. I can't play the video here, it's just a still image. More from Dave Stevens. It's probably one of my favorite here, a silent eye for Halloween. It's really spooky. And an insect robot looks like an insect. Look at that. Like a really nice detailed work here. More from Dave Stevens. Ghost detection tool. I wonder if he's found any, whether it works. And a robot fortune telling booth. I can't rotate that, but you can see you can definitely find out more about your future by asking this robot here. Great stuff from Dave. And a light following robot using a coffee can. So there's Miles Albrecht. So he's built a little gadget that he can use in order to, automate his irrigation system, and is using a peristaltic pump here. You can see the pump right here using motor controller. So very interesting. I've got to play around with this type of pump. It's what you may have seen at a hospital. It's what the machinery used to very accurately distribute liquids inside, intravenously. And it's not a normal pump where you don't really have much fine control of how much liquid is pushed through. Anyway, I've got to look into that a bit more. That's Mark Faulkner with a really nice idea on how to commemorate your travels. So it's an Arduino vacation show box. So the rear and the front with the maps and LEDs lighting up and giving you information about Mark's travels. A really nice idea. Seiichi Nishimoto, really nice skill in building this device and placing it nicely inside a box with all the details sorted out, with the connectors and all of them nicely covered here. So really nice work from Seiichi. It's a cut-off timer, so it stops the supply of electricity or whatever you could connect it to the plug here. Even a fuse in the side of the box. Really nice work from Seiichi. And another one here, if it rains outside, the rain will be detected and the window will be closed by this contraption. Nice work. From Virapong, his Arduino wireless radio frequency remote control. There's another one from Virapong, an Arduino sound recorder module with his audio chip on it. Dalton has made this really nice LED cube display. With he told me separately that the LEDs can also light up in particular patterns, So he soldered all this together and bought the acrylic case, a transparent case, on eBay. And I think, if I remember right, he used a magnetic mechanism to secure the box. So the transparent box on top of the base. Really nice. So Harold made a precision voltage reference. This looks really professional work. Nice work, Haroldo. Todd Rogers, Arduino board controlled by a flex sensor and a power glove. Look at this thing here. I think Darth Vader will be jealous of this. Okay, I think we've got more actually. Let's see. Yes, we've got more. So there's a contraption from Truve. Hope I said that right. It's a boat. So you can see it's a boat made of acrylic. You can see the frame of the boat here on the floor. There's the two, there are two motors that are driving the propellers at the back, and there's even a rudder that is controlled by a, I think it's a servo mechanism here. It's a bit small, but it's a servo motor that controls the rudder and the direction. Really nice. A project from Robert, a tablet ocarina project, music. Really nice. So I've never heard of a musical instrument like the ocarina, so that was really interesting to me to look into. Carisha Stewart, simple temperature measurement system, really nice, bright display. She even confirms that the accuracy of the thermometer is good by comparing it to a multimeter. Nice work. There's Howard, and this is Howard's daughter who built the Chronovox, and it's a project to help people that cannot see to know what the time is and the date. It's really nice. So well done. I think she's going to be a really cool engineer very soon. Already is, apparently. There's a project by John Cantlin, a circuit that uses the LM339 comparator IC, measures the inductance of a coil. So there you go. You got a bench instrument on a breadboard. Awesome. And Lakshmi Kumar, his son, this is his son, who attended the National Maker Faire 2016. I encourage you to have a look at this link. And he built basically a miniature house, fully automated with an Arduino. Really cool work. Another engineer in the making, or I should say current engineer, just getting bigger and better. So these are the posts on Facebook. Let's check out Twitter now. So just go to Twitter and you can search for the hashtag TXplore So a lot of nice projects. So one from Alga and Virus, or I don't know what the name of the submitter is, but it came from this organization, and it's a doser. It uses close up. So I suppose is used in agriculture and powered by the Arduino in the sun, automated for nutrient control. Great, professional. So a project by Griffin Z, Arduino with blinking lights entry for Arduino step-by-steps. Can we play the video? Yep. There you go. So I think this is an Adafruit LED strip. Very nice. You can see the patterns change by playing around with the potentiometer. It's a project by Paul Calica. If you're a software engineer, then you might be interested in this. This is a continuous integration monitor. So there are quick research on this, and the code is on GitHub. You can go get it, and the LEDs will light up on this guitar depending on the stage at which your software continuous integration is. Awesome. I would never have thought of this. There's Nazari Davesa, navigation control system with video. So plenty of relays there. These I suppose, turn pumps on and off and control the irrigation. Awesome. There's Nishimoto's project as well that we saw on Facebook earlier. And the Rain Guardian. Great. Project by Tuan. So it's Tuan is learning how to mix a sensor with a motor. I'm not sure exactly what it does, but you can see there's a servo motor here. There's a distance sensor. I suppose this distance sensor controls the motor somehow. And we've got Thomas. I like what he's done. So Thomas has got an 8x8 LED matrix, and he's got a custom printed overlay on it so that he can display the time. Go for a close-up. You can see right now it is 20 past 11. What a great idea. Really like it. I like the idea of customizing the 8x8 LED to just show your custom symbols on it, whether they are letters or some other kind of symbol instead of just the red LED. Great idea. And there's another one by Thomas Foster, a scoreboard based on the Arduino Mega. Excellent workmanship. I really like this. One by Alberta Robotics, starting with the LEDs. That's a good place to start. And Alberta Robotics is also getting into Arduino. So this is the beginning phase of getting into the Arduino guts and changing everything and turning it into an Arduino supercar. It's Thomas Foster again, an industrial production counter. Combines an LCD, a keypad, real-time clock on an I2C bus. Nice. Let's check out the pictures. Yeah. Nice work, Thomas. And Bernard. Now, Bernard has got a Raspberry Pi based artificial intelligence. If you have an Android phone, I strongly recommend that you check this application out and see what this robot can do. Sorry, this AI can do. Awesome. So that's what we've got on Twitter. So let's go now to my amazing Excel sheet. I've recorded everybody who submitted. I've got some multiple submissions since a few people submitted more than one project and they enter the draw multiple times. That's okay. So the way I've done this is I've got a random between function that picks up a number from 1 to 100, and whoever has the highest number will win. And if two people have the highest number, then I will draw again. We'll have one gift to hand out. So I'm going to re-randomize or rerun this function by copying random between across the column, and we've got an updated. So this Paul Gallagher has got 100. Anybody else with 100? Yeah, there's Miles, who's also 100. So I'm afraid we're going to have to do this again. Let's try again. All right, so who's the highest? We've got a 96, Virapong, 99, Dave Stevens. Anybody that beats 99 or matches? No, that's it. So Dave Stevens wins. And Dave, congratulations. I'm going to send you your gift very, very soon, sometime today. Thank you, everybody. And just be on the lookout for August. Around the middle of August, I'm going to do another one of these and see what you've been up to during August.